when I stumble, fall again. Lord, you are there to lift me up. You never turn your face away, but wrap me close in endless grace.
Every morning brings new mercy. Every tear you gently dry. In the shelter of your arms, my soul finds life again.
You are the God of second chances. Your love remains forever true. In your mercy I am healed and whole. You are my strength, my brand new start in you.
Through the darkness of my past, your light keeps shining over me. You take my brokenness and pain and turn it into victory.
Every wound you make a story. Every fear you cast away. By your grace I rise again, restored by endless love. You are the God of second chances. Your love will never fade away. In my weakness you are strong, you lift me high. My hope, my song today. There is none like you, faithful, kind and true. In my failures you still call my name. You never let me go. Your love remains the same.
You are the God of second chances. Your mercy flows like morning dew.
In your arms I am home at last, forever safe with you. My God of second chances, my God of second chances, my new beginning too. Sa gitna ng aking pagkadapa, ikaw ay nariyan, Panginoon. Di mo ako hinatulan, bagkus iyong niyakap ng buong habag. Bawat umaga'y may bagong pag-asa. Bawat luha'y pinapahiran mo, at sa iyong mga bisig ako'y muling buhay. Ikaw ang Diyos ng ikalawang pagkakataon. Pag-ibig mo'y di nagmamaliw kailanman. Sa iyo dilim ng aking kahapon, liwanag mo'y patuloy kong nasisilayan. Binubuo mo ang aking pagkabasag, ginagawang saksi ng iyong kabutihan. Ang bawat sugat ginagamot mo, ang bawat takot pinapalitan ng kapayapaan. At sa iyong biyaya